have learned on this trail not to let a good water source go by. However, I just started out 20 minutes ago and I have 60 ounces on me. So I'm going to risk it and hope that the next water source is an actual water source and nice down there. It was nice and flowing, moving, clean water. So I am going to risk it, and hopefully this is a good sign that I will have water later on. So this is amazing, and I sat down and I just drank every bit of water that my body can hold, and I filled up every single container I have because this is great water. I took a little creek bath, meaning just water, no soap or anything, just to be able to rinse off some and cool off some. And now I'm hoping to be able to cross without taking an unintentional bath. All right, so the one single little thin log actually held my weight. I made it over, woohoo! And if it can hold my weight, it's gonna hold your weight. Plus, I have a heavy pack with all this extra water. And then it's like super muddy afterwards. So as quickly as you can, get over to this boardwalk, because it's the kind of mud that like will suck your shoe off if you're not wearing a boot. And onward we go. This trail goes from being very narrow, overgrown, barely there, to these nice wide areas. Another road crossing, and I hear dogs. The dogs never came out of the yard, although they could have. They never did. And their owner is over there saying, "Hush up, they're gone." So they were not blocked in by any way, and they weren't on any kind of chain or anything. So they could have come out, but they did not. They're just making a ruckus. You can definitely tell not a lot of people have passed through this way. Oof, and those are the thorny ones that have a million little thorns on them. So hopefully you're wearing pants. Otherwise you're gonna come out of here cut up, because this is all thorns. Wow. I am still wearing my pants, even though I tore them yesterday when I almost impaled my leg. Whoa, hello. Yeah, whoa. Lots of bones here. Lots of bones here. Nothing fresh. I guess that's good. Okay, anyways, let's get back to it. And more. Like, whoa. Oh my gosh. the trail is just littered with bones. Yeah, that's not scary at all. They're all like older, picked clean, what have you. It just keeps going. Wow. Okay, so keep my eyes open. When you come out of the woods to this road, go left towards the pretty house. There is a blaze down there on the tree. You cannot see it from the trail, but when you turn around and make it to the road and turn around, you can see that that's the way the trail goes. So coming out of the trail, out of the woods, go left towards the pretty house. Just an FYI, folks, when you make it to the pretty house, it's going to tell you, the blaze is going to tell you to turn left, but you don't. Turn right. So now you're passing by the cows and heading downhill. This is a busy road, so do be careful. And then when you get to the Santa Rosa County line, go left. And it looks like the trail goes back up into the woods there. I don't know whose brilliant idea it was to come in here and mark trees with blue, but that's just cruel. Fortunately, right now, the path is pretty self-evident, but it hasn't always been that way. And I don't know if they're marking trees for removal or what, but marking them blue on a blue blazed trail is not nice. I do think it's the forestry marking trees for removal. Please, guys, pick a color other than blue. Oh my goodness. Southbound people, I really hope that you filled up at the rickety bridge. That was the best water source. And I tell you what, after that standing pond, that is it. And you are in a lot of exposed areas. So do make sure to take advantage of any time the trail offers you water. And especially at that creek, it was so crystal clear. So southbound people, just take note. There's a giant sinkhole. Wow. Bear Lake Jackson Connector Trail. Bear Lake. I don't even know how many miles that is. That's a red blaze. I'm looking for a blue blaze. I'm gonna go up here and see if I can find one. Yes, so at that junction, go left. And it is 11.2 miles on that road to Bear Lake. All right. I should be less than a half mile from the shelter. Thank the Lord. Blackwater shelter number 2. have made it. I'm going to sit at the picnic table in the shade and relax. You can tell this is a popular weekend spot since there is a Jeep road right there. I'm sure the local teenagers come out here. And that is shelter number 2, Blackwater shelter number 2. Just steps off of an old Jeep road, you can tell because of the fire ring and graffiti and such inside, but nice place to stop and take a break. There is a lot of road noise. I don't know how that is at night. Oh wow, I have a blister. Huh. Okay, so anyways, that's it. And I am heading that way. Here we go. So this is that Blue Creek water source. It is standing still. There are some rocks maybe to get down there. Let's see what's on the other side. Yeah, I can get down right there. All right, I'm gonna fill up.